Meet the QIDI PLUS4, the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Print at a blazing 600 millimeters per second. Blink and you'll miss it. Got big ideas? The print bed is 12 at 12 by 11 inches. That's enough space for a mini army of models. Efficiency? Print multiple objects at once, like a bakery for plastic. Inherited Core XY structure means it's fast and stable. Beginners and pros rejoice, speed and ease in one box. Chamber heating upgraded, now with $400 of pure thermal muscle. Dual layer insulation keeps heat in, like a thermal flask. Air circulation design means no hot or cold drama queens. Print high-temp filaments without warping or cracking. Quality prints, even with the pickiest materials. Hot end heats up to a spicy 370 degrees. Bring on the tough stuff. Integrated multi-metal nozzle. Less clogging, more printing. Swap the nozzle faster than you change your socks. Supports PPS-CF, PPS-CF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, PEAT, and more. Basically, it prints everything except your morning coffee. Unbox to print in just 10 minutes. No PhD required. Remote print and monitor with the QIDI app or Studio Slicer. HD camera lets you spy on your print like a secret agent. Time-lapse feature for those TikTok-worthy print reveals. Filament wrap and break detection. No more spaghetti disasters. Save filament, save money, save your sanity. Dual motor-driven Z-axis. Think of it as four-wheel drive. 6mm thick aluminum hotbed, flat as a pancake, strong as steel. Upgraded 10mm linear shafts and lead screws for precision. Print so accurate, even your perfectionist friend will approve. Built to last, this printer could outlive your houseplants. Multicolor printing? It's ready for the QIDI Box MMU. Automatic filament feeding, like a buffet for your printer. Personalized designs with more colors than a box of crayons. Ultra-fast, large-scale printing means projects finish before lunch. Consistent chamber heat. No more print warping nightmares. Supports advanced filaments for the ambitious creator. Professionals, enthusiasts, educators, this printer's for you. Engineered for efficiency, designed for creativity. Monitor progress from anywhere because curiosity never sleeps. Time-lapse lets you relive your print's greatest hits. Easy to operate, hard to outgrow. From rapid prototyping to classroom magic, PLUS4 delivers. QIDI PLUS4, where speed, size, and smarts collide. Ready to print big, print fast, and print smart?